I think we can keep it one colour.
The business is so big that her role now is to inspire. She's at pains these days to emphasise it's not a one-woman show. Teamwork is the secret, she says, from the girl who cuts the cloth at Carno to the sales personnel in Paris, San Francisco and London. Her own great creative period was perhaps the first 5 years, till about 1966. Much of the decade since then has been spent expanding, developing, if you like, cashing in on that initial impact.
Oh, this is the one that we decided to do the other way around, isn't it? No, it will be this way.
Laura, who was born in Dowlais, was a housewife in suburban London when she started in the rag trade.
You see, when we began, I had to sort of search around to... I was just told, you have to be the designer in this company, right? So I had to just try by trial and error. And when I began to succeed, I then very carefully watched, of course, because it was very essential at that time that we did sell our merchandise, that I actually studied what people really wanted, basically. And there were, of course, certain people I just wouldn't understand, so I couldn't attempt to appeal to them. So we cut those out and come around to the people that I could understand and give them what they were looking for. And there are always areas in the market missing. Fill those areas, and this, in fact, is what we do today. We don't just design freely. We look for a loophole. We find that there aren't any very nice night dresses on the market, right? So we try a night dress, and we build our categories in that way.
Do you agree that there is a particular distinctive style, a certain charm about the clothes? Let's talk about the clothes that you design, which...
I think they've almost by now taken a life of their own. They almost know what is expected of them in a funny sort of way. I don't think there's anything very special about our things. I think that they've evolved from necessity. I mean, if you're going to get married in church, but we don't set out to make wedding dresses. We set out, in the first place, we made white dresses because we couldn't print enough. We didn't have enough printing capacity. So we made some white dresses. Then people started to get married in them, and we thought, well, why are they using our dresses, which cost about £6 or £7 to get married in? And the answer was they were the most suitable thing to get married, much more suitable to get married in a simple cotton dress in a church than in some elaborate fancy sort of creation, really, in a lot of ways.